So bay, mga tag Turkish food bay. So nata there is Cape Docia bay, Turkish cuisine. There is a marketplace, there is Ayala Center Cebu. Alright. So we're gonna have Lamacun bay. Beef and chicken Lamacun. This is like kebab. And here are the other dishes here. Also, nasa like kebabs, baklavas, lamacun, shish kebab, baked kebab, and more. So if you love sweets, nasa like baklava, diba? So that's the Lamacun bay. Alright. Mga unta. Padang tilawan bay.
Oh, we have one. We have small top. 12 pesos.
Yummy. So tilawining Turkish pizza called Lamacun. It's 149 pesos. It comes in chicken, beef, and veggie flavors. Nancy salad and sauce inside. So stick kayo. And in a bit, for dessert, magbaklava ta.
Small box. 12 pieces.
444, sir.
So, you know, a Turkish meal is going to be complete without baklava, of course. And today we have the pistachio baklava. You can buy it by the dozen or by piece. So, na guys, dito na ng Turkish food trip. If you want to try out Turkish food, or if you're not craving for Turkish food, check out Cape Docia. So they just opened today here at the marketplace, the Ayala Center Cebu. Here you can enjoy Lamacun. This is a Turkish pizza. They have a baked kebab. They have mga hummus, baba ganoush, and of course, we have baklava and coffee. So, Turkish coffee. So, enjoy. Visit them now, bay. And I'm sure mag-enjoy it mo. Thank you so much for watching. And let's keep on supporting ang mga new ventures. Diba? There's a tour so that you can try out, or you know, hindi na kakinalan mo travel because you can travel to different parts of the world by just eating sa kaning mga bago na restaurants. And I hope to see you na sa phone dere, or you know, keep exploring and let me know on sa inyong mga bagong food discoveries. Bye bye bye.